How to add a target line in an Excel graph. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open Excel and then type in target. Select the columns and then press on borders at the top. After you click on borders, you'll find all these options. Click on all borders. After you've done that, simply type in the first target. After you have added your first target, press on enter. And at the bottom, simply type in equal sign and select the first target. As you can see, it's D3, so simply D3 has popped up. After that, simply select Fn and F4 key. After you've done that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, there is $sign in both the option. After you have done that, simply press on enter. After you've pressed on enter, drag it at the bottom and you will find your target. After you've done that, you will need target line. Simply click on your chart. In your chart, simply click on the bars. You'll find circle options. Click on it and then go to chart designs at the top. In chart design, click on change chart type. And here click on combo, which is the last option. In here, you will find two options, as you need to select sales and target. After you have selected, you will find in this way. Simply in target line, select line. Only in target. After you've done that, you will find line of target in your chart. You may find it in this way or another way as I have shown you. And this is how to add a target line in an Excel graph. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.